Afternoon, everybody. Today, again, I'm welcoming all the audience of the Q Talk. And this is a very glad time, and this is a proud time for me and every audience of the Q Talk that today we have the very prominent personality, a very well known personality in the field of journalism, filmmaking, as well as the PV serials. So, let's introduce today. We have the uh, Bharat Kukredi sir. He is the very well known director, producer, and writer as well. He has just started his journey from the journalism, and in the field of the journalism, he just be covered a lot of milestone, and then after he just be entered, just step in the new field, new journey. That was the script writing, and he just be given a lot of directions. He just given a lot of show and lot of productions work. And today we have, and we are going to discuss what kind of the avenues and what kind of the opportunities are available, and what is the overall landscape of the comedy show, TV show, and the nowadays that emerging film that is the uh, OTT platform. So let's talk today, and we are trying to find out what is the overall scenario of the TV production and well as OTT productions. So I'm welcoming you, sir. That
Thank you very much.
must be taken and spare the very important and precious time for us.
Thank
And you just you agree, given your consent to discuss with us. Sure. So the first question that you started your journey with the journalism, yes, and that you just did the very commendable job in the journalism. And what happened? Why you just changed your thought, and how you just changed your heart when you just entered in the new field?
See, I basically a writer. So in journalism, my passion was writing. I was writing stories. I was writing articles, and but journalism, if it comes to creative writing, is very limited. With journalism, you have to stick to the facts. And today, many journalists put in their own thoughts also into, their articles. But in our times, it was pure fact reporting.
Nice.
So, and 99% was research and 1% was output.
Right.
So, I was finding it a little confined to express my thoughts, my expressions, my views. And creative writing is a field where you can, cater to a very large audience. When you start talking to people, and you basically get an idea of what they want to hear, what they want to see uh, in the digital form. So I shifted from journalism into television writing.
Nice. Yeah. So as you mentioned, rightly you mentioned that this is a very fact and very confined kind of the job, and we should not be mix your thought and vision in that the factual
Yeah.
collection of factual gathering.
Right.
So when you just entered in the script writing, then you get the large horizon to express yourself.
Of course. See, because uh, I think creativity gives you the liberty to think of things that have not been thought of. So I can imagine a world. I can imagine the people living in it. I can make them behave the way I want them to behave. I can make them do acts that I want them to do. And I can culminate my story in any way that I like. So if it is a love story, I can culminate that into a marriage. I can culminate that into a separation. So, so that gives me a lot of freedom to take the story as in the way I want.
Yes, yes. So after writing, how you think is how you started to think about the direction? Is writing is the one way of expression beauty that with words and with the writing, and the visual language is a different language.
Very true.
So how you just be change again the new era and new that new field?
See, the germ of any visual medium, whether it's films or TV or OTT, the germ is writing. So without script, there's nothing. But it is also true that a director gives a vision to a script in a different way. You know, if you give the same script to three different directors, they will give you three different films visually. Story will be the same. So when I started writing, my first show was Comedy Circus, and we had a lot of comics over on the show. So I started feeling that the way I'm writing is not the way they are performing. So I started telling them, no, this line has to be said in a particular way. This punch has to be delivered in a particular way. And so slowly I started act direction, basically telling them, okay, you have to stand here, you have to move from this place to this place, then say this line. So I automatically turned into, direction. And then I took over the entire show and started directing.
But in direction, there is some technicality and some skills are also required.
100%.
Since there is the device and how to operate means how that device is speak. That also need to be know.
Oh, so what I'll tell you is that because when we think of direction, we only think of film direction. No, I think film direction also today, what I feel is many of the directors are technically highly qualified. But I still feel a film or a web series is a medium of expression. So I might have zero knowledge of camera. Okay. But then I can still be a very good director.
Nice.
But if I have 100% knowledge of camera, but I can't control emotion, depiction of emotion,
Yes.
then I'm not a good director.
Nice.
So gradually I've come to know about cameras, lenses. But essentially being a director means knowing how to articulate the expressions of your actors and make their acting reach the audiences.
Nice.
So it's the camera's job to capture it. But before that, you have to make sure that what they are doing is relatable.
Yes.
Yeah.
That's very important that you mentioned that cameras don't have sense, don't have human sense.
Yeah.
You could just only operate.
I mean, I can name you many films which have awesome camera work, but these don't work because you can't feel the actors. So, yeah.
Very important ingredient for the director that we should understand what to speak and how to speak with the example. That is nice. Sir, after the direction, you just enter in the field of the comedy show. That serious writing, how you just be turned into the comedy?
So journalism was serious, but I started with writing comedy for Comedy Circus, and then somehow, I don't know, maybe it's the environment I grew up in, because in small towns like Dehradun, we used to observe people, and most of the comedy comes from observation. Like I see a character walking or talking in a certain way, so in my head I can think of a character. If you see a show like uh, uh, maybe Comedy Next Couple, so when I created the characters, so many of the characters were people whom I knew somewhere. They do act in a certain way, so I put an exaggeration into the behavior, and it became very funny.
Very fun.
Yeah. So
that character, how do you imagine that character that these characters just make the laugh to the particle?
I don't know. Let's say I mean, obviously it was a very thing. See, when you watch a show like Comedy Night with Kapil or the Kapil Sharma show, you think it's very easy. People just come and say things and people laugh. And
Yes.
but there's a lot of hard work that's gone into it. First, most important is writing. The quality of writing that goes into this show. I had a team of around 30 writers who used to, because see, television is a very different medium. Yes, television is like journalism in the sense that deadlines are important. If my show has to be telecast every Saturday and Sunday, then I have to shoot every Tuesday or Wednesday. So I have to have my scripts ready. There is no option, no other option. So I can't say, okay, I'll shoot it tomorrow. No, you have to do it, and you have set a standard. You can't go beyond it also.
Beyond that.
So it's a process which is very taxing, and I did that continuously for 12 years.
Oh.
So yeah, every weekend we were releasing a film. You can think of that.
Yes, sir. How you generating this idea, this stuff for a long time? If one at time, two time, it could just make and generate the idea, but for a long time, for the continuous process, it's very difficult and very challenging.
Especially comedy, because comedy, you have said one joke once, that joke is gone. So you have to write new again.
Yeah.
Because in a singing show, you can sing the same song 5 times. But in a comedy show, if you've done the joke once,
Yes.
it's over. So it's a very taxing process. That's why I'm saying gradually I started. The first 100 episodes I wrote myself. Then I obviously started getting writers to assist me. And slowly we built a team. And we had some 10, 12 in-house writers and some other 15 writers who used to come in as freelancers.
Okay.
And we used to,
Nice. Nice.
So
if you talk about the current scenario of the media education, if a lot of students are studying for become the good writer, for become the good journalist, for even for the they want to be entering the field of the filmmaking also.
Yeah.
So since you have the very vast experience of this all these fields, you just be passed through the all the points. So how and what you will just be suggest to a new generation with what kind of the skills they need to inculcate and they need to nurture in themselves to become the successful media professionals.
See, there are two things I think very important, and this doesn't only apply to media students, but it's a universal thing, which I feel is very important. One is being true to oneself. I should know how good or bad am I, because I know that I have certain deficits. Then only will I work to improve them. So I might think of something I've written as a masterpiece, but I need to know be exactly, okay, is this a masterpiece really, or this just in my head that I'm thinking it is? Because हर writer को अपना idea लगता है this is the best idea in the world. Um, That's a fact. And every writer thinks I have written best, and if someone listens to it and says, yeah, it's not that great, oh, he doesn't know anything. We are very fast and I don't know, things have changed now. People are not ready to take rejection. I think with accepting rejection gives you a chance to improve yourself. So that is very important. Second thing, obviously, knowing what you're good at, whether you're good at writing, whether you're good at camera work, whether you're good at acting. So pursue the field where you think is your most, your strongest. That is one thing. Second thing I feel is, as maybe a filmmaker, writer, director, one of the most important things I feel is that whatever you're making, people should be able to relate to it.
Yes.
That if I've created a masterpiece and nobody is understanding it, it's of no use.
It's no use.
So when people ask you, what are your favorite films? So my favorite films are films like Ram Lakhan, Main Hoon Na. I don't say film like,
नाना पाटेकर की कुछ फिल्में थी जो समझ में बहुत लोगों को नहीं है.
नहीं आए. उनका फायदा नहीं है, क्योंकि क्या है, ultimately you are, how are you making it for yourself? No. I'm making for the audience. People have criticized me for Kapil Sharma show that, okay, the language is not very polished. But I have done the show for 10 years and it's a super hit show. So if you're not relating to it, you're part of a very small minority. The show is only successful if the majority of people are accepting
But
it.
question is, sir, is that only the majority and number of the audience is increasing is the right parameter to check the quality of
No, it is not.
program.
No, it is not. It is not. I'll tell you what. There's a difference between doing one viral video, which maybe 20 million or 40 million people have liked, and there's a different science to running a show for 10 years, which 12 crore people are liking. So you can get viral with one low quality content, which spreads like viral, but you cannot sustain it.
Not so system.
You have to bring quality to your content over a long period of time.
If you're especially we're talking about the Kapil Sharma show, as just you are the writer of that. So there are a lot of questions and there are a lot of finger are also which just be pointed out that they are compromised. They have only one point, that is the vulgarity, obscenity, and nudity.
Right.
And all the content are just be revolving on that points, and the people are only laughing on that. So you stick way on that. They are just making the comments on that. Apart from that, there is no other points. There is no other subjects. There is no other topic with the Kapil Sharma.
You are talking about, I think, India's Got Latent, or whatever that was. Because the Kapil Sharma show is a show which families watch together. And we are very strict with, what we are presenting. It is a show which generations of families can sit and watch together. And Indian television has very strict rules. Internet doesn't. So in Indian television, when we do comedy show, we can't talk about caste, we can't talk about color, we can't talk about politics, we can't talk about violence, we can't talk about. There are 10 things we cannot even talk about.
Okay.
So essentially, our hands are tied behind our back, and then they go and swim. It's difficult doing comedy on TV. Yeah, yeah.
All the things are filtrated.
Yeah.
Then what is the topic is remaining?
Because there's so much fun in life.
What are that?
So we create so we create characters which are funny. So and if you create a character which is funny and people accept the character, then your jobs become easier because whatever they do, then people laugh. So essentially, you have to create characters that and lovable characters that people love. So once you create a lovable character, there are shows like there's another show, Tarak Mehta.
Tarak Mehta. That is
The characters are slow.
content.
Characters are like,
People are just very much, yeah. His last 15 years, it just be consistently, he's just on the top. So people are also liking other content as well. Since sir, you have also just a winner of the 3 times ITA award, had a very prestigious award by. So what kind of the skills to just achieve this ITA award?
see, I think as a director, we were talking about direction, what skills are needed. I think the main job of the director, who heads a project, is to get the best team together. If you have done that,
Collaborative award.
if you have that, half your work is done.
Yes.
So luckily for me, the show I do has the best writers in India and has the best comics in India.
Oh, nice. Nice.
So I know I have the strongest team. Now my job is to give them things that are worth their skill. If they are very good actors, I don't give them good scripts, they will not perform. So my job is to give them scripts that are way higher than what they do, so that when my content goes on air, it's of a certain quality.
Nice. Yeah. So my last question is that the big challenge is idea generation, sir. So is it any kind of the exercise or any kind of the practices needed to get the new ideas? Because until you are not have the good idea, you could not write. How are you getting the ideas, sir? Are you reading something? Are you just be adopting something? What is the secret?
I'll tell you one thing, and I'm talking from a layman to the biggest of directors in the world, that every human being at some point of life gets 2 or 3 new ideas which are great. Even the biggest of filmmakers do not go beyond 3 or 4 ideas.
Oh,
yeah. So then what they have to do is look for other people who have such great ideas and do their films. So if you see people like in India, if you talk about, if Rajkumar Hirani has made a 3 Idiots, he has made Munna Bhai, why is he not making more films like that?
yeah. So you got that because it's off it.
Yes. But there are 2 ways to look at it. One, I think most of the ideas are already there. So can I do the same idea in a certain way that is my way, which is totally new? So love stories have been happening.
Yeah, yes.
Since cinema started, right?
Yeah.
How do I make my love story different?
Different, yes. मतलब आपको कुछ that conflict एक ऐसा create करना.
मतलब my characters, my situation, my world should be so that people start feeling, oh, this is something new. Because if you see every 5-10 years one film comes, है ना, जो जीता वही सिकंदर आ गई, एक दूसरे के लिए love story, then Veer Zara. So every 5-6 years one love story comes that becomes a super hit. But it's the same love story.
Same love stories. वही है, अगर आप outline देखें
जी.
तो every love story having the same hero and there is some dispute.
Yes.
And finally resolved. That is only one outline.
Exactly.
But their presentations is only different and they are creating is the different parts. And now all the students, this is time for students. So अगर आप लोग को कुछ पूछना हो तो सर से पूछिए, और अगर आपको फिल्म में इंटरेस्ट है तो सर से पूछिए कि कैसे फिल्म में जा सकता. So anybody have any question? हाँ, please.
Like when you're at this movie and when you are not insane and like you are not it's somewhere you know that, so you will like us their first part to tell and you know teaching Elliot body how do you live
artistic.
So if you're talking about script writing, basically 3-act story, right? No, I'm just answering you that second. So if the third, if you are not finding the act, the problem is not there. The problem is in the first and the second act. So you have to start. See, what I do, I don't start writing till I have the end in my head. So I can't just start a story and not think where it will lead to. I need to know where it will end. Because if I know the end, then my first and second part will be in, complete sync with the end. If I don't know where my story is ending, there's no point of writing the start.
Sometimes while writing, you're finding that
That's a different thing. But you knew, no, that's finding a better end than you already had. But if you don't have it, then it's no point writing the start. So first think of where the story culminates. Now while writing the story, you might change it where it culminating. बट अगर आप जब सफ़र पे निकलते हो, आपको देहरादून से बंबई जाना होता है, तो आप रास्ता पता है ना आपको। आप निकल गए फिर डिसाइड करोगे कहाँ जाना है, तो आप कैसे पता चलेगा? आप निकल गए बॉम्बे वाले रोड पे, फिर आपको लगा नहीं मेरे को तो पटना जाना था। सो यू हैव टू नो द एंड। दैट्स हाउ यू कैन कवर द जर्नी। But if you don't know where you are going, then how can you start the journey? So first know the end, then start the journey. Now while going to Bombay, midway I realized, no, I think I might go to Pune. Then I can take a turn. But मुझे पता ही नहीं जाना किस तो
Yes, sir. Anyone else और कोई पूछना चाहता है? कुछ भी पूछिए आप. Sir, what is the right person to resolve your doubts? आप कुछ भी पूछ सकते हैं, कुछ भी पूछिए. जो ऐसा नहीं कि गलत होगा, सही होगा, ऐसा कुछ भी नहीं, कुछ भी पूछिए.
हाँ, बाद में डांटेंगे नहीं सब।
सिंपल पूछिए. फिल्म में कोई फिल्म एक्ट्रेस कुछ नहीं.
चलिए मैं पूछता हूँ कुछ आप लोगों से। सारे मीडिया के स्टूडेंट्स हैं?
हाँ, सब मीटिंग्स.
लास्ट
फैकल्टी है ना.
अच्छा, लास्ट फिल्म कौन सी देखी है? और ये व्हाइट लव, क्या स्टोरी थी?
Sir, is in Dari ka naam is the person imagines another that if his own desires manifest himself
in the character.
And then becomes that character or no?
No, he imagines that like PS is going to
a very mundane life is bored and this innate desires manifest in a realm that pieces. So is the manifestation he thus runs towards her. Basic I
Okay, maybe it is that. How did you find it?
So I do watch a lot of his
scope thoughts. Harris OT the writers
which I left. At such what they suggest so I is called. To watch a lot of film that is what he said of it.
Which permanent director suggest?
More actors or artists I like.
Suggest. Okay, good. That's a good way of actually learning cinema. बाकी कोई फिल्म नहीं देखता है?
आप लोग फिल्म अभी लेटेस्ट कौन सी फिल्म आई की आप लोगों ने देखी होगी? सबसे लेटेस्ट फिल्म कौन सी देखी? छावा वाकई होगी.
कुछ नहीं, वही देखिए, छावा ही देखिए, सबने वही देखी. कोई ठीक क्या उसके बाद कुछ देखने लगा आया भी नहीं, बस एक लाया है
लेकिन उसका रिव्यू अच्छा नहीं रहा इसका. छावा
वेरी छावा इज अ वेरी इमोशनल फिल्म, तो पीपल रिलेटेड टू इट. बिकॉज क्या है कि मैं आपको क्या बोला अभी, टेक्निकली फिल्म कितनी भी बुरी हो, अगर मेरे को छू गई ना, इट्स अ गुड फिल्म.
इट्स अ गुड. यस.
So there are films which are technically classics, especially when a director like Sanjay Leela Bhansali makes a film, technically they are amazing. But not every film is Khamoshi. Not every film is Hum Dil De Chuke Sanam.
Yes.
So, but technically तो brilliance.
Basically आप आशा भी बना लेती, but if your subject is not be related to the common
audience,
आपको समझना पड़ेगा कि लोग कैसे
अब उन्होंने सांवरिया बनाई. I think he made it for his own creative satisfaction. Was कोई किसी ने रिलेट नहीं किया.
उसने रिलेटिव.
The sets were beautiful.
Sets are beautiful.
The best looking actor was there.
बहुत है. पहले फिल्म आई थी चोरों की रानी,
रूप की रानी चोरों कराया.
उसमें शायद बहुत पैसा लगा था. वो
बहुत बट कहानी
ऐसे बहुत से एग्जांपल है सर जो टेक्निकली बहुत अच्छी बनी, लेकिन इसके कंटेंट में लोगों को कोई
right. I think one of the films that I liked which is technically sound And also story-wise, very good was Bahubali. So technically also it was amazing, the graphics and everything. But story-wise also it was like,
Yes, that was. So, thank you very much, sir, for giving your precious time to us. And we just given the very insightful about the films, about the writing, about the directions, overall the landscape of the media and filmmaking, sir. So, I hope that our student will be enlightened with your very precious words, sir. So, thank you very much for joining us.
thank you. My pleasure, Driver. Thank you.